Hey everyone, our hidden abilities here. Jeez, I almost said damn pro, didn't I? Yeah. Anyways, hidden abilities here, and I'm going to do a let's play now of Ratchet&Clank Size Matters for the PSP. Now my PSP is broken to shreds, basically. The top left corner of the screen doesn't work right, so I'm kind of recording this from the TV. I will soon probably be getting a dazzle, so that'll be good too. And my PSP seems to take a lot longer to load than most others. Maybe due to some damage, I guess, dropping it somehow. Regardless, enough babbling and rambling on. Why stay straight? You know what? I apologize, it's going to be slightly crooked. Okay, press the start button. Let's do that. I'll be starting a new game. It's actually not that bad. Good quality, I like it. Why you have so many files? Okay, which one? Replay count 2. Bolts. You know what? I really don't know which one I should erase, but I will erase this one. Also being like my best file that I'm probably never going to play again anyways, so. Well, yeah, I probably will, but I've gotten 100% on this game, so. Anyways, here we go. Wait, I did say new game, didn't I? Please tell me I said new game. Why are we beginning? Old Taru? I have a feeling I did not start a new game. I didn't, did I? Bro. Yep, here we go.
Much better. The sun is murder today. I swear, Clank, I'm done with all that hero stuff. Now let somebody else save the universe. I need a little me time. If there is trouble, then it is our duty to ensure that... What'd you do that for? Whoa, what are you doing?
I'm taking pictures for my project. I'm doing a report on heroes, and I recognize you from the newspaper. You're Ratchet, right?
Well, I see you have a knack for recognizing greatness.
I was wondering if it would be possible to get some pictures of you doing some heroic action.
Well, I would, but there's really not much heroic work to do around here. Oh, I can lift Clank over my head, though. How about that?
I was thinking maybe you could fight some robots or something. I know where you can find them.
I do have a massage scheduled in 15 minutes, but... oh, what the heck. I could use a bit of exercise. Come on, buddy. Let's put on a good show for a little reporter here. I am going to regret this.
Alright, so now the game begins. Progress is saving. When you see the icon, it's yes. Okay. Okay, so let's yeah. You can rotate the screen with your shoulder buttons, but enough about that. Okay. We obviously do not have enough for that, so let's go. I'm kind of getting used to the controls now. Okay, there's our gun. Circle is our gun. Yeah, what's up? Burn up, son. Oh, y'all want some too? Y'all want some? What's up, son? Yeah, you. Get some. Ooh, boxes. Let's go smash them. Oh, I smash boxes because I am a box smasher. How are you not scared of these giant robot crabs?
Press the L button and R button at the same time to crouch. Press the X button while crouching to do a high jump.
What? Dude, get away from me. Yo, son. What's up? Yeah, you. Get some. Damn, man. Oh, what's up? Oh, I'm sorry. You trying to do something there? You can throw your wrench too. Ooh, boxes. I thought it worked better than what it did, but it didn't. Okay, you latch onto this thing and just kind of go around. It's just like snapping pictures. What? Dude. Whee! Okay, this is where the long jump is.
And R button and the X button while running to do a long jump.
Oh yeah.
Select to enter first person mode.
Okay, so we got the locator.
On the gate to open it.
Okay. There I go. Bam, son. Sorry I'm not talking much. It's just like, for some reason I feel like stupid right now. Down here for some boxes. Yay! You know, not that giant killer robots are any more important than boxes are, but... Giant killer robot crabs are common, bro. Yeah, it should be common. No, I am going to comment here a lot better.
Hold the triangle button to quick select another weapon.
I'd rather not.
Use it.
Oh, never mind. Got the acid bomb, the hyper shot. Okay.
Select the acid bomb glove.
Bam, son! What's up? Ooh, box. Ooh, another box. Let's shoot. Oh, no. Oh, I thought I was gonna die, man. I was like, no. Hey, maybe coming down here is a good. Okay, where's those boxes at? Oh, yeah. Ammo! Yeah, that's about one. Lego! This part right here is kind of neat. Oh, wow. I thought it'd be a lot different, but... And there's one. Go away, you hillbilly robots. Hillbilliness. Y'all aren't even wearing pants. Where'd you come from? Oh, hey, it's on. It is now. It's on. Damn, son. Yeah, you wouldn't hit a dude hiding behind a little girl, would you? Would you? Apparently you would. Go away. Oh, hi. What are y'all doing here? Love it. Go away. Bam, son! Got them both. That was awesome. That was amazing. Oh, hi. I'm blind. Yay. What's this? Ammo. I don't need, apparently. Anyways, let's go on to the beach. Bam, son. Check this out. Boom! All of them. Almost. Still amusing to do. Hello, seagull. I will chop you with my blade. Or not. Because... bro. Damn, son. Damn, son. Yeah, come on, what's up? Woo! Wait. Alright, fine. Y'all want to get real with it? Let's go. Excuse me. You are a crazy girl, you know that? Oh, wow. I like how they just, like, hinted out that, hey, you need to do this. You know, by having her, like, point the camera at it. Ooh, shiny rainbow glowy thing. Let's collect it. That's the cool, and this is the wildfire body armor.
Wow, that was super! I can't wait to show everyone the picture.
Quark?
Clank! What a coincidence! What are you doing here?
I am trailing Ratchet and Clank to see what they are doing, so I can join in on their next adventure.
Hey, that's what I'm doing! No, wait,
Do you not have somewhere else to go? Home to your family, perhaps?
Hey, Quark. Nice hat.
Sorry, Quark. Was that your mother's hat or something? Seriously, dude, it's just a hat.
It's not that. My mother and father, I never knew my family. I was given up for adoption as a baby and was raised by monkeys.
Okay. Thanks for sharing. Perhaps you should attempt to find your real parents.
There she is. Get her.
Alright. You can't destroy a hillbilly
Well,
robot.
looks like I'm gonna be late for my massage. Let's go.
Can't just go around destroying hillbilly huts. Alright guys, so that does it for this episode. Thank you for watching. See you later.